Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum and welcome, dear students. I hope you are all doing well. So, dear students, today we will start unit number 3 in your grammar book on page number 12. So, dear students, what are prepositions? Prepositions are words that show the relationship of a noun or a pronoun to another word in a sentence. So, prepositions are words that show the relationship of a noun or a pronoun to another word in one sentence. So, dear students, here we have some pictures, and now we will find out now the prepositions in these sentences. So the first one is the baby is in the pram. So here the preposition is in. In this sentence, the baby is in the pram. The preposition is in. Here we have a second picture in which a boy is running, and the sentence here is the boy ran across the streets. So in this sentence, the preposition is the verb across. Now we have a third picture. Laura was playing with the doll. So dear students, in this sentence, the preposition is the verb or the phrase with. Now in the fourth picture, a crow is drinking some water from a jug, and the sentence here is the crow drank water from the jug. So the preposition in this sentence is from. So dear students, the words in, across, with and from are examples of prepositions. So here we have the sentences, and the prepositions are used in these sentences, and they are in, across, with and from. So prepositions are words that show the relationship of a noun or a pronoun to another word in a sentence. Now let us understand. Read the sentences below, find the prepositions and write them in your notebook. So dear students, this is your homework. What you have to do is read these sentences and find out the prepositions, and then note down them in your notebooks. Now on page number 13, we have practice. Fill in the blanks with a suitable preposition from the choices given in the brackets in your notebook. So now here we have some choices in these brackets, and these are also the prepositions, but you will have to write the correct one in these blanks, and then you will have to note down in your notebooks. Now they are on, at, for, with, to, at, between, among. So dear students, number 1 is the school gives a holiday on Independence Day. Here in this blank we will write on. Number 2 is Benji has gone dash a walk. So here in this blank we will write for. Benji has gone for a walk. Number 3 is I am writing a letter to my teacher. So in this blank we will write to my teacher. Number 4 is which letter comes between P and R. So in this blank we will write the preposition between. Now dear students, here we have exercise B. Look at the pictures, then answer the questions given against each in your notebook. So now what you have to do is solve exercise B and write down the answers in your notebook, and this exercise is on page number 13. Okay, so now dear students, on page number 14 we have another exercise 3. Complete the table below with opposites of the prepositions given in the list. So dear students, here we have some prepositions above, inside, far, before, under, over, off, within, down, in front of, across. So here we have the prepositions, and in this table we have some empty boxes for their opposites. So the first one is outside, and the opposite of this outside is inside. So here we will write inside. And the next preposition is under. So here we will write over. In this empty box we will write over. The opposite for the preposition under is over. Now the next one is up, and the opposite for up is down. Here it is down. We write here down. Below, the opposite for the preposition below is above. Here it is above. We will write here above. And we have another preposition without, and the opposite for the preposition without will be the preposition within. So here we have the preposition within, and we will write it in front of the preposition without. On, off, here we have the preposition off. So here we will write the opposite in this empty box, which is off, O-F-F, off. And the next one is near, and the opposite for near is across. Here it is across. Sorry, it's far. The opposite for near is far. Here we will write far. Another preposition here we have is behind. So dear students, the opposite for the preposition behind is in front of. Okay dear students, now we have extended exercise, and I think you understood what is preposition, and now you will solve this extended exercise in your book, and then you will have to write down this exercise in your notebooks. So dear students, this was your lecture for today, which was about prepositions. I hope you will understand what prepositions are and read this chapter again to understand it, and to know how to use prepositions in your daily life. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.